If you'd like to support the channel, or you just enjoyed 22 days of good luck, consider checking out my book, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers.
This isn't working. Hey, Dad, this isn't working.
Yeah?
This isn't working.
Oh yeah. What is his lights not working?
Yes, it's not.
Let's look at that today.
Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the shell's 2 screws.
It's pretty corroded in there.
Is it?
Yeah, here, let me unplug this. Oh, the whole thing came up.
So what kind of battery is it? 2/3 double A? I think I got triple A. How do the terminals look? We can clean those up.
What a simple circuit though. It's just a resistor and a transistor, it looks like.
Is it?
There we go. Now the cover comes off easy.
Dude, there's like spider webs in there. Look at that. and then the cap.
Gonna have some babies in the closet this summer.
Jeez. Better than having a kid in the closet.
Amazing how much this just cleans it right up.
This is just moisture from being out in the elements, right?
Yeah, there's corrosion. And maybe from the battery too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not a burp. This thing's looking sparkling clean though now.
Mm-hmm.
Try it off. Is that the way it went in, or was it? There we go. And the battery. Is there a positive and a negative?
Mm-hmm.
I saw his lights come on.
Mm-hmm. They're on. It's a tight spot, isn't it?
It is a tight spot. You need like 2 fingers to get in here.
Thank goodness we have 10.
It's 40 grand.
Just kind of snaps in there. And then this plugs back in.
He's on.
Is there blinking?
Well, because it senses if there's
Oh, if it's
darkness.
dark right here.
Yep. Let's see how good you are at screwing.
Well, back in the closet. Hey, Poppy, I got that light working.
Hey, it's working again.